Hello everybody, Martinho here once more, and I'm actually returning to Vanessa Nielsen's office.
Welcome back.
Thank you so much for having me here. Last time I was here, I had a problem with the blue wall.
Yes.
Today I'm here, I see personal photos.
Yeah, you have a problem with the personal photos?
I don't have any problem with personal photos, but you are always telling me we should not have personal photos in my listings.
Yes, for sale, no personal photos, please. Because we are selling a home, we're not selling memories. We don't want to tie in or have buyers just kind of feel bad about taking over the house. We just want to neutralize things as we're neutralizing the color palette as well.
You know, I would agree. Also, the other weird thing I will say about personal photos is when I've had homes where the sellers are living in them and they have still all their personal photos on the walls and they don't want to remove them, buyers get distracted by that. Buyers, you know, they'll be going down the hall looking at all the personal photos of the family as opposed to really looking at the house.
And I think it also creates an unnecessary bias as well. We have no idea what's going to go through their mind, their thoughts when they see certain photos. Yeah, there are different types of photos, you know, at home, in homes. So then I just tell people, just put those memories away. You have a listing with your realtor, put it in your realtor's hand, have the realtor sell the home. That's the goal, is to sell the home, not to hold on to the home.
Agreed. So we agree, no personal photos.
We agree, no personal photos. Only I can have personal photos.
So for everyone out there who's actually thinking about selling their home, do consider taking down your personal photos. So that way potential buyers walking through your home can better visualize seeing themselves and their families living there and creating future memories and hanging their own photos on those walls, as opposed to always having this vision of those walls belong to someone else. All right, I think that's it for today's video.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
We'll see you next time.
You got it. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope to see you next time. All right, take care.
Bye for now.
Bye.